Hello viewers, congratulations and welcome to another series, another topic and with another playlist. This playlist is based on acid, bases and salt. So basically in this lecture then we will get to know that what are acid and what are bases. First of all, you have seen many things in your house like vinegar, salt, honey, lemon, cream. Even you have seen things like detergents and cleaners. But do you know that what makes it more acidic and basic? Or even do you know which of the products that are you using are basic and which are acidic? So, in this lecture, we're gonna learn that what are the acids and what are the bases. So, let's start with the acids. So, basically, acids is a substance that dissolves in the water and it tastes sour. Now, point to be noted, it has sour taste. Don't ever try to taste acid, but it still tastes sour because not every acid harms you and not every basic is good for you. We do have two types of acids that are weak acids and the strong acids. We're gonna learn that in upcoming videos. Till now, learn that it is sour in taste. It changes the blue litmus paper to red. Now basically litmus paper is a testing tube paper which identifies whether a solution is basic or acidic. It reacts with metals and hydrogens. It also reacts with the basic to form the salts. Now basically salt is the thing that is formed by the reaction of the bases and the acids. We're gonna learn that in detail in upcoming videos. Till now, memorize that acids react with the metals, hydrogens and bases. It promotes the chemical reactions that uses acidic catalysts. Now that is also acids are also used as the catalyst because it increases the activation energy. Let's talk about the bases. So basically bases are the substances that are slippery in nature as well as it tastes bitter. It changes the red litmus paper into what? Blue. It reacts with the acid as well as metal and hydrogen and H2O. It promotes the chemical reaction and are promoted by the basic catalyst. In the bases, we also do have variations. Some of the bases are strong while some are weak. Now, here there is also uses of the bases catalyst to increase the activation energy. Apart from that, we can identify the bases on the base of the pH. Now what is pH? Basically, pH is ionization power of a base. It shows whether a base is strong or weak. We do have a pH scale with numbers up to 1 to 14. Which shows us the bases and the acids. Let's have a look on that. So basically this is the pH scale. You can see here there are three distributions: acids, neutral and bases. Neutral are the substances that are whether not the acid, whether not the alkaline or the base. Let's have a look on that. You can see here a scale. This is the pH scale. As I told you, it is used to identify whether an acid is strong or not. So basically, the neutral part is not either the basic, not either the acid. Most common example of the neutral part is distilled water, the water that does not contain any of the thing like minerals and nutrients. Our blood comes at the basis with the pH of 7.4. It is slightly basic, and the thing that is slightly acidic is cytoplasm of your cell. Apart from that, we do have urine, black coffee, tomato juice, orange juice, lemon juice, gastric juice in the acids. Now you have to just have a look on the common thing in all these acids. The gastric acid, lemon juice, orange juice, they all smells and taste like sour. The orange juice is less sour than the lemon juice. That's why its pH is less than the pH of lemon juice, as well as it is nearer to the neutral part. The gastric acid is more sour. As compared, we'll compare the orange juice with the tomato juice. Tomato juice is bit less sour than the orange juice. Black coffee is bit sour because it most relates with the neutral part. So that's the common thing. If we're going to have a look on the bases, so basically it includes seawater, baking soda, milk of magnesia, ammonia solid, soapy water and bleach. Now all the bases contains what taste? Bitter taste. As well as if you are going to have a look on all these things have a common thing that they are slippery. The most slippery one is bleach, then apart from that soap, then ammonia solution, milk, baking soda, all these are slippery. That's why they are called bases. This is how you can identify the acids and the base. I hope that you get my point and you are now clear with the acid and the concepts of bases. Thank you for watching.